Okay guys, this is a 2024 Toyota Sienna Platinum, fully loaded, hybrid. Rebuilt title, damage right through this side. All been fixed up. Has the opens up your side door there. DVD player, sunscreens. Oh, wireless phone charging, heated cooled seats, heads-up display. 15,541 on the miles, adaptive cruise, lane assist, heated steering wheel, power folding mirrors, sunroof. These rear seats have recliners. They scoot all the way back so you have all this room. Pretty slick. Cup holders. You can see the battery for the hybrid motor. So 360 camera. All your different apps. I think this is where you're going to get your back screen to turn on. Smart key, remote start, power sliding doors. Pretty slick how those come up. DVD screen where you plug it all in to get it working. It's got rear heated seats if you see there. Couple little nicks there. So damage was here. It's kind of side swiped through here. Kind of got that front bumper. Still haven't quite figured this out, but I've got it to work before. Don't know the exact sequence that needs, but see, all weather floor mats. Dash looks really good here. '24 Toyota Sienna Platinum Hybrid. Really nice van. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.